with that, I'm going to hand it over to Steve here.
Cool. Hello. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about authenticating protocols with Ethereum. About me, my name's Steve Jones, go by Dozyio on GitHub. Been hacking around with libp2p for about 2 years, give or take. Currently a GoDev at a bank. So, using Ethereum to authenticate peer-to-peer connections, or also known as a demo of JS libp2p middleware. So, we need a few things. We need some middleware, we need some keys, and we need a protocol. So we've got a PR for middleware functionalities coming hopefully later this summer. It adds middleware to protocol streams. The middleware is invoked for incoming and outgoing streams. It allows access to the stream and connection before the protocol handler or the caller receives them. It's pretty easy to use. libp2p.use, your protocol, and then your method.
Hey Steve, can you bring the mic a little
Bit closer, is that better?
Yeah, much better.
So this is the connection flow for libp2p. I guess most of you know this, but I'll go through it anyway. Create a connection, there's some security negotiation, noise, TLS, plain text. Then you've got the multiplex, Yamux, Mplex, WebRTC or Quick. You create the protocol stream. You then do multi-select negotiation, choose the version of the protocol. And then the new part is the middleware. And after that, the protocol data. Keys and attestation. So in the demo I'm going to show you in a sec, we use signing with Ethereum. We use a signing key for UX. Basically, it saves you pressing sign on every connect. And then you need some attestation to prove the signing key owned by the wallet. So the flow looks something like this. Yeah, you log in the browser, do the signing with Ethereum, bits and pieces. You derive a key pair from the hash of the signature. And then you need to attest the attestation message. Yeah, that goes back and forth, and we store that in the browser. We also need a protocol. So we need to exchange some sign messages. We cover the signer from the sign message to get the Ethereum accounts, and then optionally use a rule engine to check the accounts against the rule set. So here's the flow for that kind of thing. After the multi-select, we run some middleware. In this case, we set up another stream that sends some EVM rules around, sends the signed attestation, derives some keys, sends the signed rules, verify the rules against the EVM stuff, send an OK, then we close the stream. A bit on the EVM rule engine. Wrote this quick little script 6 months ago. You can check balances, contracts, wallets, whatever, transaction counts, NFT ownership. You can read values from contracts. It's pretty straightforward. A bit of JSON down here. So checking the wallet balance, and it needs 1 ETH or greater. So, a bit of a demo of all this chucked together. If anyone wants to join along, you don't have to. Let's try. So we got this one. So let's hope this works. Log in. So this is the signing with Ethereum screen. I guess you've all seen. Then we sign the attestation message. So then we logged in on that side. Same again over here. So in the background, it's running Gossip Sub to do matchmaking, and then when it connects, it should do a direct connection. So boom, connected. You can see the middleware running down here. Yes, we registered the handler. Initiate the middleware. You see the connection request. See the wallet. See the rules we passed across. Signed message. Recovered address. Recovered attestation address. Yeah. So in theory, we should be able to play P2P chess. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. And that is it.
Cool.
Quick and short. Any questions? Cool. Fine. Yeah. So yeah, come in later this summer, hopefully, the middleware stuff.
Thanks, Steve. That's great. Okay, so up next, we've got scaling real-time communication with Quick over libp2p from the Huddle01 team. So it was supposed to be Om Gupta, but it's Arush today stepping in. So I want to point out, while Arush comes up and gets set up, we recently, I don't know what, 2 months ago, a month and a half ago, the entire libp2p community just moved from using Google Meets to Huddle01. Maybe in your talk you'll tell us exactly how much libp2p you guys use and what do you use it for. I've actually heard this question a few times, and it should be